Welcome to the installation video for the 4UH Universal Holder. Before you begin, you'll need the following tools. In your box, you'll find the following parts. First, decide which side of the cabinet you would like to install your product in. Make sure that the triangular edge of the wood upright is placed at the front of the cabinet, allowing the product to be installed around any glue or staples. Press the two steel pins into the holes on the back of the universal holder. Some step stools use the lowest system hole settings. Insert the universal holder to the system holes on the uprights with shuttle. The one we will be demonstrating with today uses the highest setting. Carefully place whatever you plan on storing into your universal holder. To test that your settings are correct, position the universal holder assembly up against the inside wall of your cabinet. Confirm that your universal holder and its contents can move freely in and out of the cabinet opening. Be aware that the product is not attached to the cabinet during this step. Use caution when opening and closing the pullout. If the contents of your universal holder conflict with the cabinet, raise or lower the deck height using the steel pins and system holes on the uprights with shuttle. Remove the entire assembly from the cabinet. Fasten the universal holder in place from behind using the number 6 by 1 1/4 inch Phillips flathead screws. Place the universal holder assembly back inside of your cabinet. Line up the 4 large access holes on the pullout with the 4 pilot holes on the wood uprights. Screw the uprights with shuttle to the inside walls of your cabinet using the provided number 8 by 2 inch Phillips flathead screws. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.